What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Gianni Drive. Today's video we are reviewing this magnetic GoPro mount. It's made by a company named Snap. I bought this from Amazon. It's about $35. I have link in the description below if you want to get one, and I highly recommend it. I put this thing everywhere, underneath the car, on the side of the car. I even tried to put a bigger camera than a GoPro on here, and it held just fine. I would not recommend to have a bigger camera and mount it outside of the car, but with a GoPro you can mount this anywhere that is metallic on your car and it's pretty much going to stay there. I have not tried it with the speeds over 50 miles an hour or going off-road. That's something I can try in the future, but for 40 miles, anything under 50 miles, this thing is gonna stay on the car. So when you buy this on Amazon, you get a box with these two pieces, and they have magnets on four corners, and it comes with a lanyard. Lanyard goes over here. You can see that hole right there, just in case you wanna secure your camera a little bit more by tying it somewhere outside the car. So this magnet is very strong, as you can see. You have to be careful not to get your fingers caught on here, and it's not easy to come out. So if you buy this on Snap website, you can get more accessories to go with it. I would recommend a little pad that goes between your car and this thing, so you don't scratch the paint, because it's very easy to scratch the paint on this. When it goes on the car, it goes hard. It's not soft. So if you have like an expensive car, you want to protect the paint, I would recommend the little pad to go in between the car and the magnets. But this is my truck. It has been beat up. It has scratches all over, so I don't mind mounting this anywhere, even on the paint. So when you're mounting this on a windshield, you have to be careful not to break it, especially one with a fragile one. Start with this, put this down because it carries more weight, and then put the other one on the back, just like that. And you reduce the chances of breaking the glass. Although it's pretty strong, it's not gonna move. It can slide a little bit. It does slide, but it's not gonna fall off. See? So it's very secure, and it gives you a lot of room to put this anywhere. So that's one thing I like about this. Although the suction cup, you can put it on plastic parts in the car, this one you can put it anywhere. You can put it in the engine bay, underneath the car, on the roof, even convertible. I put this on my MR2 and it wasn't going anywhere. So this is one piece of equipment I would recommend for anyone with an action camera. You can put it on your clothes. I'm pretty sure you can put it on the hat, and eliminate all the other straps and gadgets you get from Amazon to secure your GoPro. So for anyone with an action camera, even if you're using it for a bike, I would highly recommend it. It might not go well with the helmet, but if there's metallic part on your helmet, then it might mount on there. You can put this in any position with any glass, any metal inside the car, even on the sunroof, it will go there. Convertible cars, no problem. You can even use this in your bathroom if you're doing, I don't know, makeup, on the walls if they have metal. So this thing can pretty much go anywhere, on the roof, rain gutters. It also has very flat surface, so it doesn't have to be magnetic for it to sit on a flat surface. So this thing is not like a suction cup. You don't need a flat surface or a clean surface for this to mount. It just needs to be magnetic or somewhere like glass where you can put the magnets on the other side and it will snap on. It makes it very easy to switch from one position to the other. Basically, you can locate this thing anywhere within seconds. If you want to put it outside, like on your windshield, that's it. You take it out, you put it there. If I'm done talking outside, I'll put it inside like that. So very quick, so you don't miss any action. I do have a GoPro mount suction cup. It cost $40 at Best Buy. This was $35, and I think this one is more versatile. I trust the suction cup outside when I'm doing more than 50 miles an hour. I think this will do too because GoPro is pretty tiny, but I haven't tried it. With the suction cup, you can't go on plastic, which this one cannot, unless you are able to put the magnet on the other side. As you can see, I'm using the seat belt right now, and I was gonna put it under my shirt, but then I thought the seat belt was more steady. So this is something I could not do with the suction cup. Like this should be the first one before you buy those kits from Amazon. This will eliminate the need for whole lot of other mounts that you have. So if you want to get one, check the link below. Hopefully you enjoy it and find it quite useful like I have on mine. So thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing and hit the like button to support my channel. Thank you. See you next time.